It is important for corporates to develop an innovative approach to managing and enhancing corporate governance and risk management. At the end of the course, participants will be able to do the following. Gain an understanding of the elements of governance, risk, and compliance. Understand principled performance and the integrated approach to GRC. Develop a GRC strategic plan using a case study. Implement effective, efficient, and agile GRC processes using the OCEG GRC Capability model. Monitor and improve GRC activities through metrics and measurement. Understand, define and enhance organizational culture. Learn how to utilize technology in GRC.